morning, Muscle Car Corner here, Bowling Green, Kentucky. I am looking forward to this day, and we've got a really special vehicle here, Wayne County Racing, and this thing is just super cool. 91 Daytona, Darrell Alderman's car, back when he was winning everything back in the day. It's super cool to get this car back out and see it, and it's been a long time. Here's another one. This is a 94 car, Ted Peters Dodge Avenger, 500 cubic inch tribute car, super nice. And then we got a rare Morrison Camaro over here, which is, I love this car. It was so cool. Love the graphics on it. Red, white, blue. Look at that 500 cubic inch monster of a motor. You always saw this car in the finals back in the day. Nice little Camaro. So it's good to see these cars out. Love these old pro stock cars. It's an era in racing that I just love. So, Muscle Car Corners. Let's take a look at another one. Oh, yeah, you can, sure. Is this one of the original cars?
Yep.
Is it? Wow. Look at those Dominators. You don't see those too often these days.
No.
Getting it ready, getting the chute ready. Everybody's getting prepped for the day. The old Linko.
A lot of guys don't run Linkos anymore either.
I know it. All right, buddy. I sure appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was. Ooh, we got another one over here. Sat Mary Cannon. 75 Camaro. Super sharp. Love the paint combination on it. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yeah. Was this a...
Linko.
I know it. I love it. That's the third one I've seen this morning. Is this one of the original cars? Is this a tribute car?
It's not. It's a tribute.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Was it an original car? Was it this car
sir.
back in the day?
Yeah, he actually finished number 5 in the country back in the day.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, wow. How long have you owned the car?
I haven't owned it. Bill White's the owner, but he's part of the original crew.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Still getting it done.
Still getting it done at 83.
I love it. I love it. Well, it's so good to see these pro stocks out here, man.
Yeah.
You are running today?
Oh, yeah. We're going to get a pass at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yep.
Gotcha.
So.
Well, I'll be up there on the line waiting for it.
Here's a picture for you. Give a little bit of information. There's the
yeah.
car, and then on the back, there's a little info on it.
Oh, okay. Good deal. Well, everybody out in YouTube land will see that.
All right.
And NHRA.
Nice.
Here's my channel.
All
Check
right.
it out when you get a moment.
All right.
Thank you, buddy. Super nice people. Everybody here is just really nice. Bunch of good people. Let's take a look at this little Hemi Dart. How you doing today?
Good, sir. How are you?
Doing great, man. Like your little Dart.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's the thing you want to look at right there. So tell me about the car.
My son and I bought this car 8 years ago, and bought it out of Wyoming, Mount Rushmore.
Gotcha.
And,
Gotcha.
bought it, and it would look like Dick Landy's old car, and I had raced it in NMCA and was successful and had a perfect run in it, and
Nice.
ended up selling the car. Couldn't live without it, so I bought it back. My son and I redid the whole car. This is us, the mod shop.
Okay.
We built the whole chassis. Chuck Milan from 426 Motorsports built the Hemi. The Torque Light has parts from A&A transmission, and we put it together. My
Nice.
son and I did the Dana.
What is it running in the quarter? It's 8?
No, it's quarter mile.
All right, gotcha.
Best pass to date is 854.
854.
I'm running the 875 index, so I don't have to wring its guts out. So
Gotcha. Well, it's the first time I've been to this actual meet, and I'm just loving it.
It's neat, isn't it?
Oh, it is. I love seeing all the old cars.
Yeah.
I went to Gator Nationals from 72 to 2002. Never missed a year. And all these cars are so prevalent, you know. So it's good to see them out and about. Like I saw Bruce Larson's funny car over there. Oh, man. That brings back some memories. You know?
Wheels and Jeffreyon and Alderman.
Yeah. It's good stuff,
It's
man.
neat that they let them in.
Yeah. Well, good luck on it. And take a look at my YouTube channel. Did I give you my card?
No, sir.
Let me give you my card. You're going to be on it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, buddy.
Take care.
Pleasure
Have a good
meeting you.
weekend. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. I'll see you up on the line. Oh, we got some super cool cars here. I got to get up to the line and start filming up. I have no restrictions now on where I can go, so I'm going to bring it to you guys. Wow, this car is just simply fantastic. Man, I love it. Seen this car several times. Another nice Cornet. Super sweet. CFX. Nice. Look at that. It's got an original decal. I love that's original, huh? Oh, we got some amazing Mopars here today. And the Baccaruda Adventure Hemi. Really nice. Dale Meters. Super sweet. SSAH. The Super Cooler. Really nice. Love these old Mopars. One of the reasons I came to see these cars. Be back at Indy soon, and with the Sox and Martin Hemi Challenge. So I gotta head up towards the line. We've got quite a few cars today. Gonna be doing some runs here shortly. They started at 10, so I got a couple cars in right now. So I'm heading up to do my filming up on the line. And time to get her done. Big Nuts Racing. Nice. All right, the fun bunch is here. We're heading into a smoke screen. The Instigator. That is sharp. Got the Blue Bayou is here. Nice. This is the car over at Art's Auto Mart. I did some videos on it. It's good to see it here. I believe this car is going to run today. It's amazing. Another record holder, 55. Super sharp.